I'm Heather Fullerton. I'm a child neurologist here at UCSF, and that means that I take care of children with brain disorders, and in particular I direct a center that takes care of children with strokes. So I first got interested in science because my dad was a scientist. He was a physicist, and I would go with him to his lab in the summers when I was out of school. And I got attracted to this scientific method, and the scientific method is where you develop a hypothesis and figure out a way to test it. And so my first scientific experiment was on apples. I had a hypothesis that if you put lemon juice on an apple, you could delay the browning of that apple. And so I took an apple and I cut it up and I put it into 2 different bowls, and then I squeezed lemon juice on one of the bowls of apples. And then I did time delay photography, and I took photographs of my apples every 5 minutes, and I was able to prove that indeed the apples with the lemon juice on them turn brown later than the apples without the lemon juice. And so this was my first scientific experiment and my first use of scientific methods to answer a question. And then I've continued on that line since then. I actually come to work for fun. So for me, doing research on pediatric stroke and thinking of questions, thinking of ways to answer those questions is actually a lot of fun. And I think that that's actually really important, that your job be fun, because that's what you do with most of the hours of your day. But if you want to know what I do for fun outside of work, I like to do active things. I like to go hiking, I like sailing, I like canoeing. I also like reading books. I like watching good movies. I like doing a variety of different things.